Hi, second graders. It's Mrs. Hermansader. Today is Wednesday, and I'm going to read the morning message for today. So, today is Wednesday, April 29th, 2020. Dear Cardinals, good morning. It is hard to believe that tomorrow is the last day of April. It seems like I was just telling you some April Fool's jokes to start off the month. Have you heard the saying, April showers bring May flowers? I don't know about you, but I am ready for sunshiny days, warm weather, pretty flowers, and no more rain. What is your favorite kind of flower? What do you like best about flowers? Their color, smell, or watching them grow and bloom? Love, your second grade teachers. P.S. What flower talks the most? Tulips, of course, because they have two lips. For our activity today, I thought we could continue to talk a little bit about flowers and take a look at an example of a few flowers and think for a bit, what flowers do you like best? So, if you look at the video, you can see that I chose 4 different flowers to share with you today. And you can read along with me. It says, which one of these flowers do you like best? I'm going to give you a second to take a look at the screen and think about which of the flowers you might like best. So the different flowers are the sunflower, the rose, the daffodil, and tulips. Maybe you chose the sunflower because of the bright yellow colors and that it reminds you of the sun. Or did you like the rose because you love the way that it smells? Maybe your favorite is the daffodil because it reminds you that spring is here. Or do you love the tulips because they grow in such a unique way? I think all of these flowers are awesome, and I really can't choose which one I like the best. I think they're great, and the thing I think maybe that I like the best is that they're all signs of warm weather. I hope you have a great day. And when you're outside, hopefully you're out getting some fresh air. Make sure you take the time to look around and check out all the different types of flowers. I had just a few examples up for you to look at, but there are definitely so many more beautiful kinds of flowers that are popping up everywhere for spring. And when you're outside, take the time to look at the flowers, touch, but touch gently, and definitely smell the flowers. Okay? I hope you have a great day. See you later.